Come and sit on Daddy's lap. Hello everybody, it is me, Chasey Poo. Today I'm doing kind of like a holiday video. I should be wearing a Santa hat, shouldn't I? That's better. All right, so here's the thing. My hair's growing out and I gotta wear a hat all the time because it's just getting ridiculous. It's long, you know what I'm talking about. Today's video is sponsored by The Underwear Expert, and I'm gonna talk about that in just a couple of seconds. And the reason why is because today I'm actually going to be making a video about what are the best gifts, or what are some gifts that you could get somebody who's like trans, masculine, or non-binary in your life. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I get this question asked a lot, either by people who are trans and either want to give presents to their friends or want to buy themselves something, or somebody, family member, partner, anything like that. They don't really know what to get. So I have 3 suggestions in this video that I want to talk to you about. So of course, the first one is The Underwear Expert, okay? This video is sponsored by The Underwear Expert, but it's not the only thing I'm going to talk about in this video. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, this video is not just about the underwear. If you've never heard me talk about The Underwear Expert before, it's really cool. If you use my discount code ChaseRoss, you get 30% off. So one of my favorite all-time gifts, honestly, is the Underwear Expert box. And I know that that's gonna be like, just because they're the sponsor of this video. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, okay? When I started to receive these boxes, I was like, oh, this is pretty cool, you know? I get like 3 pairs of underwear every month, and I get to choose which pair of underwear I wanna get. Like, this is pretty cool. They have really cool patterns and stuff like that. And I've made a video in the past about like the type of underwear that I really like from them, and I can put that link in the description below. However, what I've come to realize over the last couple of months of getting these underwear is that gifting them to someone else is such a cool experience, because I know how I feel when I get them. So when I gave these to somebody, and I'm actually going to use an example because I did do this, it made them happy because I don't know, there's something about getting new underwear that's just exciting. I have a first-hand account of how exciting that is, and I'm gonna get this person in the room right now. Mike, come here. Come and sit on Daddy's lap. Hello, my love.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic.
No, you can stay here. I was just telling everybody that one of my favorite gifts to give is the Underwear Expert box, because I see how much I love it, and then when I gave it to you and I saw your reaction, yo.
It's amazing. I flipped my shit.
You literally
did.
It's awesome. Yeah. Are you wearing any underwear right now?
Yep.
Which ones? I live with him, and I get him to just take off his. Yo, I was gonna wear those today too. We have the same underwear because we got that was the box that you got at the same time as I did, and it was like literally we got the same underwear without realizing it. It was awesome.
I love it.
Matchy matchy. And that was not a paid actor. No, but for real, Mike really gets excited when I get the boxes every month. Like, he's like, ooh, and sometimes I give him a couple of pairs because, like, what am I gonna do with like 3 pairs of underwear every single month, right? So after seeing how excited he was, I was like, I'm gonna get him a box, and he just flipped out. And I'm not even joking, like, I have the exact same underwear that he has. So the reason why I'm making this is because the holidays are coming up, which is why I'm wearing this Santa hat and like gifts that you could give somebody. So you can actually gift a box to somebody by using a discount code that I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna put all of the information either on top of me or on the bottom. But long story short, you just have to use the discount code ChaseRoss and you get 30% off for someone else. Like, that is, look, I'm just really excited that that's a thing and that they're actually doing this, and you're able to kind of like gift it to somebody else, and that just makes me really excited. Plus, like, what's coming up? Black Friday's coming up, and Cyber Monday, and then it's Christmas, like Hunties, all of the things are happening. Let's go. The second thing that I would recommend getting somebody who is a trans masculine individual or who is non-binary is clothing that is like trans related. So and by that I mean like a company owned by trans people. So I just want to shout out this shirt. Honestly, I wasn't even thinking about this until I sat down to make this video. I was like, oh yeah, I'm wearing this shirt. This is actually a really good idea. This is one of my favorite companies. It's called Valentine. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. They make, honestly, all of my videos for the last like 3 months, all I'm doing is wearing their shirts because they have such cool shirts. So this one just says Sissy Boy, and it's kind of like the baseball cut. I just love this shirt so much, and they have a million other shirts, so go check that out. And I think that that would make a really great present as well. And I'm not sponsored by this company, by the way. I'm just letting you know that it's one of my favorite companies for shirts to wear, and I always wear them all the time, and I think it's a really great idea to gift it to someone else. And finally, the third thing, all right, and not everyone will agree with this, and that's fine. That's fine. So I talked about clothing and I talked about underwear. Now, what do you wear under underwear? Well, if you're new to my channel and you've never seen any of my videos, then you'll be confused. But for everyone else, I'm glad that you understood what I was trying to say. Prosthetics, okay, and packers and STPs. Now, the thing with this is that there are so many out there. There's like hundreds of packers and stand-to-P devices that you can't just like buy one and expect it to work for that person. This is one of those gifts where you kind of have to talk to the person and say like, hey, I'm gonna gift you something. And here is what I want to gift you, but I don't know which one to get. And that could be a little bit tricky because they go by like price range, but I have another solution for you. What you can do is get a gift card and that could work as well. So that's the same thing with like these shirts. Like if you don't know the person's size, gift card. Same thing with Underwear Expert. If you don't know what kind of underwear they like or what size they are, that's no problem. You just get it for them and then tell them to pick. Like literally it's that easy. Like it's really, really cool. So it's one of those like, you're aware of those gifts because not everyone likes surprises, right? So these are like, I'm aware of the gifts I'm gonna get, but I'm super excited gifts, I guess. Anyways, to like plug it in for like 3 seconds, if you wanted to get a gift card to a store, you could go to Early to Bed or you can go to Ftm Essentials. I have discount codes for both of those, so the person would be able to get a discount on any of the prosthetics that they buy. So that's cool. So this video is pretty much done, but wait. It would not be an Underwear Expert sponsored video if I wasn't gonna show you my underwear, right? Roll the tape. Just before we continue, I just want to say that I usually wear the briefs from Underwear Expert because they're really comfortable and I just love the company so much. But lately I bought the boxer briefs, these ones here, because I feel like I'm chafing a lot when I'm walking. I don't know, I'm sweaty. I don't know what's going on. So that's like really good for chafing because then it's not your legs that are rubbing together. It's not the leggies, it's the underwear. So that's just a little tip for you. Yes, we're talking about Underwear Expert, but I just want to talk about these underwear for like 3 seconds because like, again, this is my favorite company of underwear and I only knew about it because of an Underwear Expert, and I'm so glad that every single month I could choose this brand to be part of my box. I'm just saying that like if you really like Pump or if you really like Moss Man or if you really like any of the other ones that you really like, you can get them at almost every single month, and I think that's so cool and I just love that so much. Yes. Like I'm literally obsessed with this company. No joke. Obsessed. Like literally I probably have 10 pairs of this company's underwear. I'm not even joking. So I could like literally sit here and stand here all day just kind of showing you the underwear that I've gotten because I've been with Underwear Expert now for about a year. I've been a member and it has like really changed my life, and I love just posting pictures on Instagram. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to show you what I look like in these underwear, and I know that I'm obsessed with this one company, but like I don't want to buy it from that company. I want to get it from Underwear Expert because I also get like a mix of other companies, and it's cool to like figure out that there are new companies out there. Also, I forgot to mention that Underwear Expert does socks now, and you can literally add socks to your order. So they sent me these socks. I haven't tried those on, but I tried these on today and they are so comfortable. I think the company is called Code 22. They're really, really like it's nice because I sweat a lot and these kind of like absorb the sweat. All right, just to reiterate and end this video quickly, the 3 things that I think would be great gifts to give somebody else who is trans masculine, or anyone honestly, but you know, this is channel, I'm trans, I just figure let's talk about trans things. Prosthetics are a very good idea, or gift cards to prosthetic stores. 2, shirts like this, or gift cards to companies like this, and it doesn't have to be this company, like there are way other trans-owned companies, you know, there's Flaunt and there's all these other ones. So if you want to name them in the comments below, please do. And finally, my all-time favorite, okay, is underwear. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but like, listen, if you watch my channel and you watch my videos, like I wear a lot of prosthetics and I have to try them on a lot. And I just feel so good in a brand new pair of underwear. Do you know what I'm saying? And then like, I just love it. So I want to thank Underwear Expert for sponsoring this video. Please go to underwearexpert.com, and if you want to gift this to somebody else, please use my discount code ChaseRoss and you get 30% off, which is amazing. All right, thank you so much for joining me. If you have any ideas for gifts that you could gift somebody who is, you know, under the trans umbrella, please put it in the comments below because I would love to see what everyone like gives other people. Like, it's really cool because for me, from experience, these are the 3 things that I tend to give people. It's like, here's underwear, here's some cool shirts, and here's a wiener. Like literally that's what I do for Christmas. And then if you put them all together, it's literally what I'm wearing right now. Literally, I'm wearing this shirt, I'm wearing these underwear from Underwear Expert, and I'm wearing a peen. I feel like I'm a walking advertisement for the things I like to give for Christmas. And I feel like people kind of figure that out. They're like, oh yeah, I told you I really liked that shirt once. And I'm like, oh yeah? So I got you that shirt. You know what I'm saying? So I know what the people around me like, and hopefully the people around you also like this stuff. I will see you later. I hope you have a great week. Bye. Wait, also, if you're still watching, I am doing holiday/Christmas cards this year. Again, I'm sending 1,500. If you want more information about that, please check the link in the description below for that information. I'm also doing a Christmas card, holiday card exchange on Discord where you get to match with somebody else and you can switch addresses and match and do things and exchange cards, and it's really awesome. And so far, it's been so cool, and it's only been up for like 2 days. So go check that out. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.